Hey, so if Inkscape keeps crashing on your computer, like it opens and suddenly closes, freezes, or just becomes unresponsive again and again, don't worry. Yeah, we're going to fix this step by step in a really simple way. First thing first, just restart your computer. I know it sounds basic, but trust me, a lot of crashes happen because of temporary bugs, background processes, or memory overload. So just do a quick restart and try again. Now open Inkscape again and make sure you are using the latest version. Older versions can easily conflict with system updates, and that often leads to random crashes or freezing issues while working on projects. If you recently installed any extensions or plugins, that can also be a big reason. So try disabling them one by one and check if the app becomes stable again. Next, go into Preferences and reset everything back to default settings. Sometimes corrupted configuration files silently break the software without giving any clear error. Also check your system performance if you have too many apps open, especially heavy ones like browsers with lots of tabs or editing tools. Inkscape may run out of resources and crash. Another important thing is your graphics driver. Make sure it is fully updated because rendering issues and GPU conflicts are a very common cause of crashing problems. And finally, if nothing works, just uninstall Inkscape completely and reinstall a fresh copy from the official website. Yeah, a clean install usually removes hidden corrupted files and fixes most issues right away. After doing all these steps properly, Inkscape should run much smoother without crashing or freezing. Yeah, so just take your time and follow each step slowly, don't rush, and in most cases it gets fixed without any advanced troubleshooting. Hey everyone, if you're having problems exporting in Inkscape in 2026, like export not working, blank PNG,